this is how we could make the best 3D text in DaVinci Resolve. So firstly, drag in a Fusion composition and then go to Fusion. Now put a Merge 3D, Camera 3D, and Render 3D. And also a text 3D. When you've done that, also here I forgot to say that you need to drag the Merge 3D to your second preview and the renderer to media out. Then type your text and put it so that you can see it in the camera view. After that, change the font to Minecraft 5. If you don't have it, you can download it in that font or any other website. Then go down to extrusion and increase the extrusion depth, the extrusion width, the bevel depth, and bevel width. After that, uncheck use one material and put it into black. Then configure it so that it looks as good as you want. So now we're gonna change the color to something more fancy and keyframe the color, and every 10 frames we're gonna change it to another one. Or 20, I don't know, but maybe do it to your speed. Now let's rotate it so that it looks like 3D and not like a Microsoft Paint. Now we're gonna keyframe every color and smooth every color out. You don't really have to smooth everything, you can just select them and press S. Also, make sure to click Ctrl F or it won't show. So now it looks good. The next thing we're gonna need is gonna be a plugin called the Neo Edit. You can find this, it's from a YouTuber or something. You need to sign up for it, so yeah, I recommend it. Next, you're gonna need a glow effect, where I have a plugin which makes it way better. You can find this plugin in a YouTuber's site. So now we're gonna need a light sweep, which you can do with a glow and then a rectangle there, and you connect it. But I have a plugin which automatically makes it, and I will leave the link in the description. So now we put it to our first frame, keyframe the center, go 25 frames there, and now and put it into the last. It automatically keyframes, so it's not really required, but it's better to always smooth it out. If you're on a slower PC, make sure to not put the quality of the glow into ultra, because that will cost so much lag. Now go to templates and search binoculars. Disable all the effects so that you can preview. Start by putting in this position, which you can copy right now, and go to the 25th frame, or I think in the 15th frame. This doesn't, it's however you want. Make sure that the whole text is. So now smooth it out. I always recommend putting this one to here and this one to here, because that causes a really smooth move. So I think I'm gonna change a bit the colors, because they need to be more like friendly, more colors that everyone knows. Now let's make it so super clean. Firstly, add an emboss or not, or don't if you, and set it to emboss over. Now add a lens distort and crank up the distortion to so that it looks as good as you want. So after that, enable all your effects, or if you have a Beast PC, no, don't. And now enable the playback to render cache into Smart and let it render. Okay, now that we have rendered it, we can now see it. As you can see, it looks super clean. Maybe you just add a couple more effects and some more colors, and it will look like the preview of this video. Wait. So now you know how to make 3D text in DaVinci Resolve.